Assalamualaikum dear students, subject math class 3rd, lesson number 5, multiplication. Today I will teach you how to make 7, 8 and 9 times table and how to make table with the help of addition. So let's start the video. Multiplication tables of 7, 8 and 9. Let us make the 7, 8 and 9 times tables like the 6 times table. हमें क्या करना है 7, 8 and 9 का टेबल बनाना है same as it is 6 time table. Okay, so first you have to draw 3 columns and 10 rows. Okay, and in first column you have to draw one row, and in one row you have to draw the 7 beats. So 7 1 7 1, 7 multiplied 1 is equals to 7. Okay, like this. You have to draw one row. In one row you have to put 7 beats. 1 2 3 4 6 7. 7 ones times 7 multiplied by 1 is equals to 7, same as it is up to 10. So 7 10 times you have to draw 7 rows, and each row has 7 beats. Okay, so 7 multiplied by 10 is equals to 70. Like this we have to make the table. Okay, 7, 8 and 9. So read along with me. 7 times tables. 7 multiplied by 1 is equals to 7. Means 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14, 7 threes are 21. All of you read along with me. 7 fours are 28, 7 fives are 35, 7 6 are 42, 7 sevens are 49, 7 8 are 56, 7 nines are 63, 7 tens are 70. टाइम टेबल की तरह आपको क्या करना है 3 कॉलम्स बनाकर इसको राइट करना है. ओके, नेक्स्ट इज 8 टाइम टेबल. 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16, 8 threes are 24, 8 fours are 32, 8 fives are 40, 8 sixes are 48, 8 sevens are 56, 8 8s are 64, 8 9s are 72, and 8 10s are 80. Next, 9 ones are 9, 9 twos are 18, 9 threes are 27, 9 fours are 36, 9 fives are 45, 9 sixes are 54, 9 sevens are 63, 9 8 are 72, 9 9s are 81, and 9 10s are 90. So you make the 7, 8 and 9 tables like the 6 time table. Okay, next making a multiplication table with the help of addition. अब हम टेबल्स कैसे फॉर्म करेंगे with the help of addition. Means if you have know the two others table, so if you added them, so make the other table. Okay, so to make the 6 time table we take 6 into 2 parts. अगर आपको 6 का टेबल बनाना है तो आपको 6 को कितने पार्ट्स में डिवाइड करना होगा 2 पार्ट्स में. ओके, सो as 6 is equals to 4 plus 2, नाउ वी टेक द 4 and 2 टाइम्स टेबल। तो 6 का टेबल फॉर्म करने के लिए हम यहाँ कौन सा टेबल ले रहे हैं? 4 and 2 टाइम टेबल। ओके, नाउ वी टेक द 4 and 2 टाइम्स टेबल एंड ऐड देम टू गेट द 6 टाइम टेबल। ओके, अगर हम 4 और 2 टाइम का टेबल लेते हैं और उन्हें ऐड करते हैं तो हमें कौन सा टेबल मिलेगा? 6 टाइम टेबल। ओके, सो first read along with me 4 time table. 4 ones are 4, 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12, 4 six are 4 fours are 16, 4 fives are 20, 4 six are 24, 4 sevens are 28, 4 sevens are 28, 4 eights are 32, 4 nines are 36, and 4 fours are 40. Same as it is 2 time tables. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8, 2 fives are 10, 2 sixes are 12, 2 sevens are 14, 2 eights are 16, 2 nines are 18, and 10 twos are 20. So if you add 4 and 2 times table, so you will get the 6 time table. So okay, add them. First, 4 plus 2 is equals to 6. Okay, 8 plus 4 is equals to 12. So 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12. 12 plus 6 is equals to 18. 16 plus 8 is equals to 24. 20 plus 10 is equals to 30. 24 plus 12 is equals to 36. 28 plus 14 is equals to 42. 32 plus 16 is equals to 48. 36 plus 18 is equals to 54. And 40 plus 20 is equals to 60. Okay. So 6 time table is ready. Yes or no? Yes. 6 ones are 6. 6 twos are 12. 6 threes are 18. 6 fours are 24. 6 fives are 30, 6 six are 36, 6 sevens are 42, 6 eight are 48, 6 nines are 54, and 6 tens are 60. So 6 time table is ready. Just as we can make the 6 time table using the table 4 and 2, we can make it using the table 5 and 1, 2. सेम एज इट इज 6 टाइम टेबल को हमने 6 को हमने 2 पार्ट्स में 4 और 2 में डिवाइड करके हमने 4 और 2 के टेबल से क्या बनाया? 6 टाइम टेबल। सो 5 and 1 का टेबल यूज़ करके भी हम 6 का टेबल क्या कर सकते हैं? फॉर्म कर सकते हैं। ओके, सो वी कैन मेक अ न्यू टेबल यूजिंग 2 टेबल्स दैट वी ऑलरेडी नो। सो अगर हमें 2 टेबल्स याद लर्न है तो हम उसका यूज़ करके क्या कर सकते हैं? अदर टेबल्स को क्या कर सकते हैं? फॉर्म कर सकते हैं। ओके, वी कैन मेक अ न्यू टेबल यूजिंग 2 टेबल्स दैट वी ऑलरेडी नो। So we can make the 7 time table with the help of the 4 and 3 times table. So आप 7 का टेबल भी बना सकते हो 4 and 3 का टेबल्स को यूज़ करके। सो मेक द 7 टाइम टेबल्स with the help of 4 and 3 time tables, okay, in your LW book. Next is special, the 9 time tables. Come, I will tell you something interesting about the 9 time tables. Come, I will tell you something about the 9 time tables. First, write the numbers in reverse order, like reverse order like 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 up to 0 in unit place. Okay, then now in 10 place before them write 0, write 0, 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9 in serial order. Okay, यूनिट प्लेस पर हमने क्या किया है, रिवर्स ऑर्डर्स में नंबर राइट किए हैं. यस और नो? यस, 9 to 0. एंड 10 प्लेस पर हमने क्या किया है, सीरियल नंबर को राइट किया है 0 to 9. ओके, सो and look, we have the 9 10 table already. So we have to look 9 time table is ready. 9 ones are 9, 9 twos are 18, so look, we have the 9 times table all ready. Isn't that wonderful? Yes or no? Yes. 9 ones are 9, 9 twos are 18, 9 threes are 27, 9 threes are 36, 9 fours are 45, 9 fives are 45, 9 six are 54, 9 sevens are 63, 9 eights are 72, 9 nines are 81 and 9 tens are 90. Yes or no? So 9 10 table is ready. So if we add the digit in the unit and 10 place in each number, we always get 9. If you notice, so अगर हम यूनिट और टेंथ प्लेस के नंबर को काउंट करते हैं, ऐड करते हैं, तो हमें ऑलवेज क्या मिलेगा, 9 मिलेगा. ओके, सो काउंट देम. 9 plus 0 is equals to 9. 1 plus 8 is equals to 9. 2 plus 7 is equals to 9. 3 plus 6 is equals to 9. Same as it is. 4 plus 5 is equals to 9. 5 plus 4 is equals to 9. 6 plus 3 is equals to 9. 7 plus 2 is equals to 9. 8 plus 1 is equals to 9. 9 plus 0 is equals to 9. So it's interesting too. Yes or no? Yes. Next, the multiplication. 5 multiplied by 3 is equals to 15 has been shown in the table below. Fill in the right number in the empty box. क्या करना है हमें, empty box में right number को fill करना है. ओके, so look at the table. If in this box in rows have to write the 1 to 10 numbers, and in column also write the 1 to 10 numbers. Okay, and between them write the multiplication symbol. Okay, so if we multiply the number, so we get the tables. So 1 multiplied by 1 is equals to 1. 2 multiplied by 1 is equal to 2. 3 multiplied by 1 is equal to 3. 4 multiplied by 1 is equal to 4. 5 multiplied by is equal to 5. So 6 multiplied by 1 is equal to 6. 7 multiplied by is equal to 7. 8 multiplied by 1 is equal to 8. 9 multiplied by is equal 9 multiplied by 1 is equal to 9, and 10 multiplied by 1 is equal to 10. So we have to make the one time table. Yes or no? Yes. Like this. I will make the 10 times table. Okay. So look at this picture. So if 2 times table is 2 multiplied by 3, 2 multiplied by 2 is equals to 2. 2 multiplied by 2 is equals to 4. 2 multiplied by 3 is equals to 6, and 2 multiplied by 4 is equals to 8, and 5 multiplied by 2 is equals to 10. So 6 multiplied by 2 is equals to 6 multiplied by 2 कितना होगा 12. So like this we have to complete this box with multiply the numbers and fill the empty boxes. Okay, next is your homework. Make the 8 and 9 time tables with the help of 2 other tables. क्या करना है आपको 8 and 9 का टेबल फॉर्म करना है with the help of other tables. So thank you.